Hey everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies, back again for another quick, I promise I'll make this a quick review. I just wanted to show you a product that my wife bought me from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll have the link for the Bed Bath & Beyond and the Amazon link down below if you're interested in this. This is the LapGear Elevation LapDesk. It's about middle of the rung when it comes to lap desks made by this company. They make about 2 or 3 dozen. And at Bed Bath & Beyond, this is about $29.99. And if you know Bed Bath & Beyond, they always have like $5 off, 20% off coupons. So if you're not signed up with Bed Bath & Beyond, I highly recommend that you do that. They, like every few days you get a 20% off coupon. So we got this, I think, for like $24.99. We went to Spokane and bought it. You might be able to find it online. I believe they might offer shipping. Don't hold me to that. I'm not sure if it's free shipping, but if you don't have a Bed Bath & Beyond near you, then of course I'll have the Amazon link down below. I believe I seen it last time I checked. They offered this on Amazon, but it's really simple. This is middle of the rung. They even have a pillow, which is really thick, or even it looks like a box, and it holds products inside. I really didn't want that, but I didn't want to go really lightweight and cheap. This is about middle of the rung. They sell lap desks from $9.99 up to $49.99, and this is, like I say, middle of the rung. So let's go ahead and open it up really quick. The surface dimension is 21 inches by 13 inches. So I'm trying to read this upside down. Yes, 21 by 13 inches, or 53 by 3 by 33 centimeters. So this will fit in between the recliner. So if I have it on my lap and I'm sitting down in my Lazy Boy recliner, this will fit inside. So this is what the back looks like. Really quick, let's go ahead and open it up. Really simple, trying to make this video as short as possible. So flat, this is if you want it flat. This would be if it was facing you. Is roughly, it's kind of hard to get this in the video, but thickness, roughly 2 inches. So that's just like how you see it here, 2 inches. Now if you take this and you can extend this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and button these down. It might be out of picture frame, out of video frame here, sorry. Hard, but there you go. There's 2 buttons. All you gotta do is take the loops, put them across the 2 buttons. Hopefully you can see that. That's what it looks like. So now it elevates it. So now we have a roughly, measuring from the back, the height is close to 5 inches now. So 5 inches in the back, and roughly an inch, let me see, an inch and a half maybe in the front. So it has a little holder here for a cell phone. And there's a little stop here so that your laptop doesn't fall off. So here I have my Dell Inspiron 15. It's 15 inches. This is 15 inches by 10 inches, I believe. I have to double check that, but yes, 15 by 10 inches. So you can see here when it's closed, I have no problem seeing this, but if I open it up, then I don't have as much space here. And if I take an iPhone, I won't be able to put it down this way. I won't be able to see it, of course. But if I put it this way, I can still see the screen on my phone. Well, folks, that wraps it up with the LapDesk Elevation. If you like this video, please give it a like. Check out the rest of my channel. If you like it, I'd appreciate a sub. You guys have a good day. Small channels do matter.